To open a Skrill account in Sri Lanka, you need to follow a few simple steps. First, go to the Skrill website and click on the Register button. You will be asked to provide some personal details such as your name, email address, and password. Make sure to use a strong and unique password to secure your account. Next, you will be asked to provide some additional information such as your country of residence, which in this case is Sri Lanka, and your currency, which is the Sri Lankan rupee. You will also be asked to provide your address and phone number. Once you have filled in all the required information, you will receive a verification email from Skrill. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your email address. This is an important step as it helps to secure your account and prevent any unauthorized access. After verifying your email address, you will need to provide some identification documents to comply with Skrill's Know Your Customer requirements. This can include a copy of your national identity card or passport, as well as a proof of address such as a utility bill or bank statement. Once your account is verified, you can start using it to make transactions. You can fund your Skrill account using a variety of methods such as credit or debit card, bank transfer, or other payment methods. You can then use your Skrill account to make online payments, send money to friends and family, or receive payments from others. It is also important to note that Skrill has some fees associated with using its services, such as transaction fees and currency conversion fees. Make sure to check the Skrill website for the latest fee information before making any transactions. In summary, opening a Skrill account in Sri Lanka is a straightforward process that requires some basic personal and identification information. By following these steps and providing the required documents, you can start using your Skrill account to make online transactions and take advantage of its convenient and secure payment services.